today I'll just be taking you through, guys, on things I've gotten from Jumia, my new in from Jumia. This is my outfit of the day, very simple outfit. I'm going to show you guys. Maybe not, I don't know, but this jewelry I got from Jumia. I did a Jumia jewelry haul, and I'm sure you guys have not watched. If you haven't watched it, definitely watch it. I also link down below how and where to get this kind of jewelry I'm wearing from Jumia. So before we get into this video, my name is Magdalene. I'm a fashion, travel and lifestyle YouTuber and blogger, and my website is trendsandstyle.com. I'm going to leave it on the screen. So guys, I want to show you guys my new in I've gotten from Jumia. Things I've gotten for my home decor, especially for my office space, in terms of artwork, in terms of chair desk, my content creation in the house, all those things which I know it's going to be useful for some of you that have your own small businesses, especially people that are in the fashion space. So guys, let's get into it. So for my outfit of the day, I'm sure I've spoken about it, but this hair, I did it, my sibling helped me do it. It was an hair it was an hairstyle inspired by Tupo One, and you can see this looks like my natural hair, but this is a fake natural hair, false natural hair. So guys, I want to show you guys what I acquired on Jumia, which you too can get for your home, especially when you're trying to set up a small simple home office. And also if you want to set up your living room, the other things I actually got a couch from Jumia, and I will also link it down below, so in case you're interested, because at this time in the country, couch is very, very, very expensive. So we chose to just go for, we were able to see something that was favorable for us. At least it was just one seater. Normally if you go to all these carpenters, they're going to tell you we can't get one seater or three seater, whatever seater you want. But for a small family that's just starting out, we don't really need that much seats. We just have to have a place to sit as a living room. And when we have guests, we know it's not every time we have guests in a new family, so we just went for 3-seater seats. So instead of getting the full set and filling the whole house with furniture, and moreover it is very, very cost effective. So I'm going to link that below for you guys in case you're interested in getting a couch, especially when you're a young girl, or you just moved to Lagos, or you need to set up your own apartment as a young man or a young lady. I'm going to set link down below where you some of my favorite chairs you can get from Jumia, especially the one I got. I will put a picture on the screen for you guys to see how the couch looked like. Also, it came with a lot of throw pillows, so this will just solve my problem about getting a couch and a throw pillow. So the way it was sold on Jumia, it came with like 4 sets of throw pillows and a very small, like maybe 5 sets of throw pillows. So initially I was like, I will get a carpenter that will do the chair, then we will now start getting throw pillows. But this will just solve our problem. We don't need to think about getting throw pillows anymore. It came with the couch, and that solved the problem of the couch. So I got it from Jumia. I'm going to link it down below in case you're interested. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys the foldable table and chair which I'm currently sitting on, that I got from Jumia. So as you can see, this is the foldable desk. This desk space is big enough for me to be able to put my laptop. I have a plant on the table. This is a paint I decided to add to it, so you can just do as much as you want. This may still live here soon. I've not decided yet, but the foldable desk, you can see it's easy, it's mobile. If I want to move it away from this spot where it is, I can just fold it and take it on that spot. And also it came with a foldable chair, which you guys can see, very, very small, petite. So on the picture on Jumia, you will assume that it is very, very, very big, but the chair is just petite and normal, so it's perfect. And you'll be like, how this seat is too small, but no, it's perfect for what it's doing. It's actually very, very, very sturdy. So if you need to sit, you're very, very sturdy in the sitting room. It's just more like a small office space for yourself. So if you're such that is a freelancer, or you're looking for something to make you do your job after work, or you're a work from home person, this is the perfect small office space that is very, very affordable for you to get. I also got this from Jumia, and it's very, very useful. So most of us that work on the bed now, I can actually sit down and work on a desk, and it makes my work more easy. I get more productive when I'm doing my job, because it feels like I'm in a proper office setting with a normal socket, my chair, my table, my pen, or my planner that I use for jotting my ideas. So you see, this is really, really good, especially when you just need a secluded place for yourself. If you're work from home mom, or a dad that just needs office space, or maybe you're just a business person that needs something to sit down and work, instead of having to do for workstations around, you can just get something simple, and it's just a small portion of my room that it is. So you don't really need to look for a very big space. or get a full home office. But if you can actually you can actually get that, no problem. But this, if you're trying to maximize your space, this is perfect for your home office. I got from Jumia is this canvas that I got. It's more artwork. It came just more like the canvas or more like a wallpaper. So it wasn't like this when I got it. I will insert a picture of the before, and this is the current after of it. Guys, this, I saw it at once, it was love at first sight. I thought it was like, wow, this is really beautiful, but I never knew it has no canvas. So when it came as just pictures, I had to go back and check the description of whoever the seller was on Jumia, and I discovered that the person actually stated that it's just the canvas, no canvas, just the artwork itself. So I got the artwork itself and put a canvas behind it, and it cost me about extra 7,000 to 8,000 naira to be able to set up the canvas like this, and it's good for my sitting room like this. So if you want to have a little bit of artwork to spice up your living room, this is really perfect, very budget friendly. You don't really need to spend too much to achieve this. What I got from Jumia is a set of hangers, wooden hangers. I've always wanted to have those, because whenever you're doing your try on hauls, it's just better you have your clothes already ironed, then you place it in hanger. You can easily just wear it, and when you're changing, you can put it back. I don't want to get into the details of the mess that I leave behind whenever I'm doing try on hauls, but anyway, those hangers are really perfect. So if you are a content creator, you have a business in fashion, you can get those very nice hangers. They're actually very aesthetically pleasing, plus it is sturdy and you can use to hang your clothes. Whenever you have exhibitions to attend to, those hangers are really perfect. I'm going to link it down below. It comes in a set of 6 each, so I got like 2 sets. Then I also inserted a clip. It was also on a rack, like a clothing rack. It's very affordable, but it's not that strong, but you can get something better than that on Jumia. I also link the one I got and something similar that is a little bit sturdy compared to the one I got. This clothing rack is perfect. So if you want to display your clothing as a solopreneur that does fashion, or maybe you're a fashion designer, or maybe a content creator, you want to display your clothes behind you while you are doing your try on hauls, it's really perfect for you to get. So you don't have to start filling your room with different fake clothes when you need to arrange it in a proper way for you to be able to use. So guys, Jumia is my one-stop up whenever I need anything now. Like anytime I want, I just go to Jumia and check. If I want this, I check. If I want that, I check. So you guys, if you've not been checking Jumia for stuff, I don't know what you are missing. And yes, I'm going to leave a tip for you guys. People are always saying that they get burnt when they're shopping on Jumia. Yes, it's possible for you to get the wrong item. It's possible for you to get horrible items. It's possible for you to get things that you'll be wondering whether you were jazzed when you got it. But truthfully, on Jumia, before you click add to cart, always check for reviews, because these vendors are they are the ones that own, like, there are different sellers on the platform. So it is not Jumia per se that owns it. Jumia is the platform that hosts all these sellers. So the sellers, they go source for these things, or they have it in the shop and they bring it to Jumia and Jumia delivers it to you. So what you have to do whenever you want to shop for anything, you see anything nice that really catches your attention, please check the reviews, and to save you all the stress of thinking about whether this item will come back good or bad. So whatever you want to get, definitely check it out on Jumia and check the reviews, because it will help you out a lot. Also, the ring light I'm using is also for Jumia. I'll link it down below in this video. So guys, if you like this kind of vlog, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you another time. Bye guys.